Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I released the CC4 Navi Pandora 3D avatar to Reallusion Marketplace. With 0 point, you can purchase by using the 0 point with extended license. You can create a 3D animation. Now you can see this avatar. This is Navi, Sully, and another female avatar is the Neytiri. It's Navi Pandora as well. You can just perform any of your Pandora movies by using these two 3D avatar. It is available in Reallusion Marketplace. You can just add to your cart with 0 points with the extended license. And this is the ultimate license that you can use for your game development. Alright, that's all for today about my sharings of these two CC4 Navi Pandora avatar. It is for CC4, the character creator 4. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing. See you.